All right, what's up guys? So today, let me show you what you can get for under $500,000 out here in Las Vegas. Let's go. Guys, so welcome back to the channel. Again, we're out here in Henderson today in the master plan community of Cadence. We're gonna check out this house built by Century Communities in Modena 2, which is a subdivision out here in Cadence. And they've got floor plans ranging anywhere from 1,700 square feet all the way up to 2,100 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms. Just in case you're not familiar of where exactly we're located, we're in the far southeast side of the valley. If you look at the Vegas map here, so we're about, let's say 20 minutes to the Harry Reid Airport. I would say about 30-35 minutes depending on traffic to the strip. And again, this is a pretty new master plan community that's been continuing to grow over time, and we're actually a community right before Lake Las Vegas. So Lake Las Vegas is actually another 10 minutes down the road. So again, we're gonna check out this house, the 1793, which is the square footage of this house. It's 3 beds, 2.5 baths. So let's go ahead and go inside right now. All right, so here we are in the front of the house. Again, you're gonna have a 2-car garage here. That's currently the sales office right now. You've got pavers as a standard, which is pretty standard for most new builds here in Las Vegas. And you can see the front is always gonna be landscaped versus the backyard. The backyard, the landscaping is gonna be your responsibility. So let's go ahead and check out the inside. But real quick before I go inside, you know, a lot of times when I post these videos, I do get a lot of calls, text messages from you guys. So if you are interested in any information about real estate here in Las Vegas or this home specifically, I'll have all my information down below. Please don't hesitate to reach out. Let's go. All right, so the nice thing I like about this house is right when you enter in, you see this nice open vaulted ceilings. They've got a model with these beautiful modern handrails right here, but look how inviting this area is. So they've got it with a nice bench right there, which I like. Love the high ceilings right when you walk in. They've got tons of windows that's giving you a lot of natural light. So this first door to our right is the coat closet, and you can see they've definitely maximized all the storage that they can offer over here. This house is modeled with the luxury vinyl planks, which is always the way to go in my opinion, except if you have pets. A lot of my clients that have pets, big dogs especially, they prefer tile. That way the planks aren't getting scratched up and everything. But check out how open this floor plan is from this corner of the living area. So we've got our main family area right here. You've got that huge island straight ahead. And of course, you've got your dining area right here. The nice thing about Century Communities is they don't go cheap on the options that they provide for you. Some of these lots that's gonna be released will include more upgrades than others. For example, this has the cooktop. They've got the upgraded cabinetry right here, the undermounted lights underneath. Not all lots that it's going to be released will have those, but you are going to have a house delivered to you with very nice options. So making our way this way, I know this right here, this buffet counter is definitely going to be an upgraded option for you, along with that backsplash right there. Do me a favor guys, if you're watching, let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this open floor plan so far. What do you guys think about the color of those cabinets right there? Drop a comment down below for me. The other thing I noticed is this house has a lot of windows. So you got 2 windows on the right side, 2 windows right there. You've got this nice big slider right here, and then you have that additional window right there as well. So it's pouring in tons of natural light. It's about 4 in the afternoon right now. So obviously the lights are on over here, but we can definitely get away without having any of the lights on, and it'll still be fairly bright up in here. Before we go upstairs, let's check out this pantry. So this was the only feature that I was a little disappointed in for the size of this house and the price. I think I would have expected a much larger pantry option. So let's go ahead and make our way upstairs. So again, up here, we're gonna have the 3 beds and 2 baths over here. So directly to our right is gonna be our primary bedroom. So we'll save this for last and check out the secondary bedrooms first. So we're gonna have the first one right here, which is a pretty good size. A lot of times these standard bedrooms are gonna be a typical 10 by 10. They've got an 11 by 11. And the nice thing is you've got 9-foot ceilings up here. So it definitely feels that much more spacious compared to a regular bedroom plus 8-foot ceilings. Here we are in the other secondary bedroom. They always model these really nice. Gives me a lot of ideas for my own house. So again, really nice. Got the 9-foot ceilings up here, 11 by 11 bedroom. They've got a full-size bed right there with plenty of space from side to side. And over here, you've got the full bath for these bedrooms to share. You've got it with the dual undermounted sinks right there. You've got the tub shower combo. I'm always paying attention to the windows. So you've got a window in the bathroom, which is really nice. And then right over here is gonna be your laundry room, which is nice because it's on the second level. I know I've got buyers in the past that only prefer their laundry room to be upstairs on the second level versus downstairs. Right here is gonna be your smart panel box. Again, that's gonna house your modem, your router, all your Cat 6 cables, all nicely organized right there. So here we are in the primary bedroom. Just look how gorgeous and open this feels. You've got tons of windows. And over here, you're gonna have this beautiful primary bath. We've got more storage. You got this beautiful walk-in shower right here. Got the LED puck right above it. You've got a window right there. You've got 2 walk-in closets. So here's the first one, which is plenty if you ask me. You've got the dual sinks right here. Love the countertops. And then here's the second walk-in closet, which is even bigger. So you've got a his and hers, his and his, hers and hers, whoever's living here. Tons of storage is what I noticed about this floor plan. All right, guys, so that wraps up this home tour by this beautiful home built by Century Communities. Again, we're out here in Henderson in the master plan community of Cadence. So if you want more information about this community or any community here in Las Vegas, I'll have all my information down below. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell. See you guys on the next one.